Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link Google AdSense with Google Analytics. This connection is incredibly useful because it allows you to track your AdSense revenue directly within Google Analytics, giving you deeper insights into how your content performs financially. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to analytics.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your Google Analytics account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the same Google account that has access to your analytics properties. After logging in, you'll see your analytics dashboard. At the top of the screen, click on your website property. This will show you a drop-down list of all the websites you have connected to analytics. Select the specific website you want to link with AdSense. This step is important because you need to be working within the correct property to establish the connection. Now look over to the left side of your screen and locate the admin option. Click on it to access the administrative settings for your analytics account. This is where you'll find all the configuration and linking options for your property. In the admin section, scroll down until you find product links. This area contains all the available integrations between Google Analytics and other Google products. Click on product links to expand the options. From the list that appears, select Google AdSense links. This will take you to a page where you can manage existing links or create a new connection between AdSense and Analytics. Click on the link button to start setting up a new connection. This initiates the linking process between your two accounts. Next, you'll see an option that says Choose Google AdSense Publisher. Click on this option to proceed. A list of available AdSense accounts associated with your Google login will appear. Select the Google AdSense account you want to link by clicking on it, then click Confirm. This ensures that the correct AdSense account is being connected to your analytics property. After confirming your AdSense account, click Next to move forward in the setup process. Now you'll see an option to enable revenue data reporting. This is a crucial step because it automatically makes your AdSense revenue data available in your analytics reports once the link is created. Make sure this option is enabled, then click Next to continue. You'll now reach the Review and Submit page. Take a moment to verify that all the information is correct, including the AdSense account and the analytics property you're linking. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click Submit to finalize the connection. And that's it. Your Google AdSense account is now successfully linked with Google Analytics, and you'll be able to view your revenue data alongside your website performance metrics. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.